we're going to, we're going home. It's not like we have a choice.
Also, naka-black pala kami today because in solidarity sa may rally. I really like the color. Hello friends! So, today is September. Wow, it's actually bare months. Kahapon, dapat mag-vlog ako kahapon. Kaso, nasuspend. I mean, hindi ako nag-vlog sa bahay pero ayun. May suspension kahapon. But, marami kasi kaming deadlines this week. Nag-work from home lang ako. And then, yeah, it was productive naman kahapon. So, it's a great start of my September. So, today, I'm going to work. Goal number 1 this month is to save money as much as possible. Trying to be mindful sa mga lahat ng expenses ko. And then number 2, I'm gonna lessen yung added sugars sa aking diet. And then number 3, ayun, I'm gonna try to attempt to be more consistent and to be a good storyteller sa mga vlogs ko kasi ayun nga, I think I was so having fun last year na ang ganda nung for me lang I like my vlogs more last year than this year. Kaya ayun, I'm gonna try to be more good at storytelling. Yeah, that's my 3 goals this month. I hope maisakatuparan ko yung mga yon. And then I'll see you muna sa office. Mainit kasi dito eh. All around. So, today is Thursday. Yesterday, I didn't bring my camera with me sa work because nag-commute lang ako. That's why nasa Thursday na tayo ngayon. Hello again! So, it's already 8, I think. And tapos na ako mag-cool down after an 8-kilometer run. Ang goal ko talaga sana is 10. Pero I had to listen to my body kasi napagod na siya. Goods pa rin naman yung 8K. Since today, ang dami kong ginawa sa office. Kasi tomorrow may deadline kami. Actually, dapat kahapon pa. Pero, ay yung internal lang yun. And then, yung deadline is tomorrow. Tapos, ayun, nagawa ko naman yung mga need kong gawin and may mga na-edit mga na-revise na rin akong mga minor changes. And yeah, I really needed this run kasi feel ko mababaliw ako if hindi ako makatakbo this week kasi it's been for the past days. Laging umuulan sa hapon so hindi ako nakakatakbo after shift. Kaya it's good na hindi umulan. Although, while I was running, medyo may ambon. Slight lang naman. And then, natapos din siya. And then, bumalik. And then, nawala rin naman agad. Pero, mahina lang. Parang wisik-wisik lang. So, it was nice kasi parang naging refreshing siya sa feeling kasi nag-iinit yung katawan ko after running for like 5K. And then, dun kasi nag-start parang around magpa 5K. Dun nag-start yung ambon. Kaya, it was a refreshing nung umambon. So, it's not really a bad thing. Yeah, yun lang muna. And then, uwi na ako. I'm not sure if kakain ako sa labas kasi anong oras na? It's already 8:16. I'm not sure. Got my certificate. So, tapos ko na siya. 3 days na Sabado yun. I kind of regret na hindi ako nagdala ng damit pang takbo dahil wala mang ganap after. So, I guess tomorrow na lang. And bala ko rin kasi mag long run tomorrow. Kasi tagal ko walang long run as in yung 15 plus na kilometers. So, I'm gonna do that tomorrow and then uwi na lang ako dahil para makapagpahinga pa and then Tomorrow, I'm gonna do a long run. Bye!
About your matcha latte po. Anything else to add?
Wala na po.
Alright, that's 175. Kindly have your payment ready for Seattle window.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I ordered matcha. This is my first matcha of the week. So, and my first sweet treat for myself. So, I'm gonna eat muna yung merienda na I got from the training. And then, matcha! This is iced. Maliit lang kasi nga, di ba, sabi ko nagbabawas ako ng sugar. Sa aking sistema. So, yun lang muna. Maliit lang muna ang bibilihin natin. Kain lang ako, and then I'm gonna head home na. Hindi siya ganun katamis, which is okay. I still like it. Matcha's the best! Okay. I'll head home na. For real this time. Bye! Hello guys! So, it's the after shift na. I just kaka-time out ko lang sa office. And aalis kami. We're gonna watch movie. We're gonna watch a cinema. And ang movie ay Conjuring The Last Rites. So, it's gonna be exciting. We're gonna watch movie.
Conjuring. Last right.
Kailangan matakot si Tamiya. Kasi pag hindi siya natakot, may cashback sa SM. Super bilis na. Sige lang. Gusto mo, mag-shopping ka lang? Joke. Hey, ito na, sa Muji.
Iba't iba yung contractor nito.
Bakit?
Ang laki yung space eh, meron sa kanila.
So, parang deserve mo yan, Tamiya.
Ang gundo.
Deserve.
Dali na, dumadami na yung tao.
Wait. Hinihintay namin si Romelski.
7:50.
Can you say kayo?
At
Mukha ka rin naka-lipstick.
6:50. Dahil sa ilaw kasi yun ata,
Kaya
ilaw pula.
Si Juan.
6:57 na. So
Hindi siya
let's
mukhang
see
naka-lipstick.
kung aabot si Romel.
Kaya nga eh. Weird. Naman.
Yan na ba yung Conjuring?
Hello. So, manonood na kami ng Conjuring Last Rites.
Babangon ka, di ba?
Is this video?
Yep,
Yes.
video.
Hashtag.
This is us after watching Conjuring The Last Rites.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
LOL. Buhay pa si Romel. Kanina pa siya sumisigaw eh.
Hello everyone. What's your rating for the movie out of 5?
4 out of 5.
Why 4 out of 5? That's pretty high. Why?
Yung nakakagulat na scenes was very effective.
Paano yung gulo?
Yes.
Okay. Okay kayo guys. What's your rating for the movie out of 5? Dali.
Out of 5? Feeling ko mga 4.33 eh.
Ang taray nung 4 and 1/3. Bakit may 1/3?
May 1/3 kasi hindi niya na-maintain yung ano ko, yung parang kaba all throughout the movie.
Balita, may rumor na parang, gumaganon ka daw. How true is the rumor?
It's very true.
Okay guys, hindi niya dinenay. Thank you Romel for your rating.
LOL.
Dali.
Honesty.
Ikaw, what's your rating for the movie out of 5?
I'll give it a 3.5.
3.5? Bakit 3.5 lang?
Okay lang, mas ano pa din, mas goods pa din yung Insidious for me. Puro jump scare lang siya.
Kanina nakita ko part of the ending, parang hindi ka na sumasandal, nakaganon ka na. Oh, can you explain yourself?
Nasistress ako kasi kawawa naman si Tommy.
Awa na lang.
Kanina pa nila naisip yun. Alam mo yun, wala. Okay yung binti niya.
Guys, ang MVP ng movie ay binti ni Tony. You won. You're so far. Dali, excuse me. Please participate. What's your rating for the movie out of 5? Dali.
3.
Oh, bakit 3 lang?
I've watched scarier ones.
Really? Okay. Okay. Thank you, that's it. Hindi ko siya
Ikaw! What's your rating?
I hate the movie. Let's not do this again.
LOL.
Hello friends! So, I'm going to run today. And kaka-out ko lang sa office. So, I'll see you after run. I'm gonna video siguro sa run. Pero gamit ko yung cellphone na lang. Hello guys! So, 5 na. And then, obviously, pauwi na ako. And then, isasabay ko yung dalawa kong best friend. And, yeah, I'm on my way there para i-pick up sila. Para sabay-sabay kami umuwi. Because yung isa kong best friend doon, which is si Althea, birthday niya tomorrow. Birthday ko? Birthday mo? Birthday ko? Ito na sila!
Hey! Hello, ang cute! It's so fluffy! Fluffy, I already kasi since we're twins, I already have this also. Same kami ng magkaiba lang kami ng room, ibang dimension. Hi guys! So today, I don't actually know where are we? Visayas Avenue. So we're going to We're going home. So yun guys, I hope you guys are like having the best per month of your life.
Yeah.
So let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what are your goals for this great luck in Vermonts. So yun, wala lang, pampadagdag ng visibility sa YouTube vlog ni Gio.
Down your thoughts in the comment section.
I would like to hear kasi check ko yung comments gagayahin ko yung plano nyo.
Yeah.
So, bawin na ako pagpaipon. Natatawa ako. Hindi ako tumawa. Natatawa.
Minute. Hello friends. Today is September 12. It is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. And I'm on my way to work again. It's a work day again. Yeah, yesterday I wasn't able to vlog my day because I don't know. I don't feel like it. Actually, to be honest. Hindi ko feel mag-video kahapon. I don't know. Kahapon din I was kind of sad. I don't know why. Basta, I don't know. I'm just parang ang gloomy ko lang kahapon. And I'm trying to not be gloomy. Pero wala Ang gloomy ko talaga kahapon. Yesterday felt heavy, to be honest. Pero that's okay, that's fine.
Estimated time in traffic, 7 minutes.
Pero okay lang yun. Kasi talaga, hindi man everyday is a perfect day. So, for today is gonna be exciting kasi si Sir Vito, yung senior namin, he decided to treat the team. So mamaya we're gonna eat out. So it's gonna be exciting.
Don't take it personal. They didn't say hi to me. They didn't text me back. They canceled on me. They failed me. Why are they yelling at me? Reframe it. Take out the me. Didn't say hi, didn't reply, canceled, failed, yelled. Now it is data, not a dagger. Facts over feelings, patterns over promises. Ask once, clarify once, set the boundary, adjust access, protect your peace, and move. Their behavior is about them. Your response is about move the me. See the truth? Then make
that was the Instagram reel na shinare sa akin ng cousin ko. I think it's a powerful na change of perspective na ganun yung isipin mo. Kesa na yung you feel bad about yourself, you feel pity, you began to self-doubt. Kasi I think it's gonna be bad on your peace. If you want your inner peace, or if you don't want, di mo na problemahin yung mga things na you can't control. I think that's a good change of perspective when you encounter that. I think I'm gonna apply that to my life. Kasi sometimes yung actions ng tao it affects me. Pero ayun, sayang yung energy kasi I'm trying to practicing my energy to the people who just deserved it, or to the people I want to, pagbigyan ko ng energies ko, ganun. Kesa naman yung maglalaan ako ng energy sa mga bagay na hindi ko naman control, and parang masisira yung inner peace ko. So that's that. I've been trying to apply that lately. Tapos na yung week, so it's gonna be another week of survival. And I'm grateful and I'm proud of myself na na-survive ko na naman yung another week. Yeah. Also, naka-block pala kami today because in solidarity to sa may rally sa UP later. I think it's about the DPWA and then their corrupt, the current issues with corruption sa DPWH. I think that's the reason why merong rally today. So, in solidarity dun sa rally, and I support them, the message they wanna send to the government. And yeah, I think hindi na natin deserve manakawan. Masyado na tayong mabait sa mga corrupt officials, that we should make them accountable, and hindi natin deserve manakawan dahil nagbabayad tayo ng taxes. Tayo nagbabayad ng tax. Di mo lang alam pero nagbabayad ka ng tax. So yeah, I'll see you muna sa office. Taas ng araw. Bye muna. Bye.
Say hi.
Hi, hello po. Andito po kami sa Romba, Maginhawa. Ayan. So, kakatapos po ng deadline namin ng 2 projects, kaya treat ni Sir Vito. Yay!
Thank you, Sir Vito.
Thank you, Sir Vito.
Thank you, Sir Vito.
Thank you, Sir Dale.
Deal.
Ano sabi ni Liza?
Sir Dale.
Sir Dale. Thank you, Sir Dale.
Thank you, Jiro. Sobrang bait ni Jiro. Grabe talaga. Napakabait niyan. Grabe. Wala akong masabi. I'm out of words.
So, sino sa tingin yung MVP for this season, Jiro?
Siyempre si Joanna B. Si Joanna B na tutubi na wala.
Ako, feel ko ang MVP for this season ay si Jiro Malabanan.
Yes. Correct. Tama ka dyan, partner. Alright.
Okay lang yan. Sir, tingin ka, sir. Thank you, Sir Vito. Guys, say hi. Hello friends! So, today is Saturday. It's the next day. And pag-isipan ko na i-share with you guys yung mga recent pickups ko for the past weeks. Unahin natin yung pinakamura. Doon tayo sa skincare. So, may tinry akong bagong brand ng skincare. Ito yung brand na to is CeraVe. And bumili ako ng set niya. So, I tried yung cleanser. I recommend this one kasi whenever I use this, parang ang feel ng skin ko is smooth. So, I recommend this one, Acne Control Cleanser. Although, I did a test dun sa website nila kasi meron silang parang pa-test dun na you can parang i-determine nila kung ano yung best products for your skin kasi kailangan mo ilagay dun kung ano yung type of skin mo, kung ano yung napansin mo sa skin mo. Tapos ayun, lumabas sa akin is yung Acne Control Cleanser. So, I tried it and I like it. So, I recommend this one. But still, depende pa rin ata sa skin yan kung hiyang ka or not. And then, I tried this. This one, I do not like this one kasi nagkakaroon siya ng white cast sa face. So, I don't like this one pero I like the feel niya after ko i-apply sa skin ko. It's parang smooth pa din. And then, this one, the Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. I only use this sa gabi after kong mag-shower. Ito yung ginagamit ko. And then, ito rin yung lumabas dun sa test. Next, this PM. This one I really like. The PM one kesa dun sa AM, yung facial moisturizing lotion with sunscreen. I like this one kasi it's really true na ultra lightweight nga siya. And then it feels smooth din pag in-apply sa face. Yeah, I like this one. PM, I recommend this one, PM. Acne Control Cleanser. And then yung Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. Next one is this new perfume na binili ko. Bleu de Chanel Eau de Parfum something. Yun yung binili ko. I still like it though. Mabango pa rin naman siya. And sayang kung di ko gagamitin, right? Next is this one. This is a polo from Regatta. I got it on sale. Dun sa Fervitereses na branch. Kasi may sale sila. And I really like the fit. Although hindi ko pa siya nagagamit for panggala or for work. I'm just gonna share if ginamit ko na siya. Next naman, and I got this bag. This is a airy backpack. First, I really like how it's lightweight and I really like this style. It's not the usual bag na you'll see in the market. Oh! Tapos, I like how marami siyang compartments sa loob. Ayan. And it is made of sustainable materials. So, which is good. And, yeah, I've been loving the bag. Kasi yung bag ko na ginagamit ko for the past months of working is I got it from... It's actually a freebie. A price lang dun sa naganap na... basta may event sa TUP, sa university ko noon. And then, syempre, competitive. As a competitive, I answered dun sa one of their questions. Kasi, yung bag na yun is from Davies. Wait lang, papakita ko. So, this is the bag that I've been using for the past months of working. Yeah, it's not Levi's. It's just a sticker na I covered dun sa brand talaga ng bag na to. Which is, it's from Davies Paint. Wala lang, I just don't like na makita in public na I'm using a Davies bag. Although wala namang problem with Davies, pero basta I think magigets nyo naman. So, I bought this Levi's na logo and then tinakpan ko lang siya dito para it looks like na it's not from Davies. So, it's free and it's sira na rin kasi siya. It has served his purpose. Look, oh. So, I had to upgrade to a better one since I have the means na rin to buy for myself. Oh, so I bought this favorite bag. And it's kind of pricey pero iniisip ko na lang na it's a good investment for me. And then next one, this is the most expensive purchase in a while. This is a new running shoes. Asics Nova Blast 5. So, I kind of used it na. Although 3 times pa lang, to be exact. Pero, ayan. I really like the color. It is flash red with Edo purple. The purple is yung design ng logo ng Asics, this one. And then yung flash red, which is, ayan, mukha siyang salmon pink sa running community, the neon the colors, the cooler the shoes are. Oh, well, I just invented that. Pero ayun nga, yun din napansin ko when I joined the fun runs. Ang dami ko nakikitang mga neon colors na shoes. I had to hop on to the trend. Although it's not very neon, pero it's very bold color. Kitang-kita yung color niya pag naaninagan ng araw. So yeah, those are my recent pickups. Recent na nga, lately pa. Pero ayun, you get the idea. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching another week in my life. Yeah. I hope you had a great time watching this. Thank you for watching. Bye!